We have some really good looking millwork here. The tables here are new, but they have a problem. The welding process is faulty. What happened here is that the table's leg is made of a piece of square plate and a pipe welded together. Now the weld bead is on the opposite side, on the underside. I'm sure they ground it flat, that's one thing. However, the tables still wobble significantly, like so. Now, unless you enjoy spilling coffee or whatever on yourself or on the table every time you sit down, this is not really practical. So the reason for this fail is, and I'm going to come down to the floor so you can see there's nothing under it. What's wrong with this table is the heat of welding at the center warped the whole plate and dished it. They should be mounted and clamped in a jig where this warpage is controlled or eliminated, or it should be fixed after the welding with sledgehammer, but that leaves hammer prints on the plate, so that's not really practical either. So this is a welding fail. Dimensional or control of distortion should be part of the welding process. It also spins sideways. So the table is fantastically good looking and very simply made, and quite limited in their use. I'm just going to say that it's not useless, but this way it's retarded. A classic welding fail.